Hello everybody, and welcome to the start of a great series. Today, I'm going to be taking over UNC. They're one of the best basketball teams, but in football, not so much. We've never won a national championship in football, ever. Can I lead us to our first, or will we fall short? Yeah, so I kind of suck, and when I say suck, I mean I beyond suck. I'm not very good at this game, per se. So I have decided to mess with the gameplay sliders. Okay, I won't. I enjoy. I can't play quarterback like I actually, and you know this will make my life easier. That's all I'm gonna mess with. And maybe I'll knock their QB accuracy down a little bit, so it's not incredibly hard. And I'll knock down their wide receiver catching. Yes, I'm not the best at this game, but I don't want it to be incredibly easy for me. I have made this decision. We're going to send the entire house. Okay? Hopefully, this guy will become #1 over NC State, because we need a good quarterback. And with a good quarterback, we will be doing a lot of things. Let's look if we are still... Oh, we dropped. Oh, no. Oh, no, we're not going to get this guy. Can I do anything else? We've offered him a scholarship. Let's go on and play our game against Minnesota, as they're actually higher ranked than us. Let's see how it goes.
Welcome to Huntington Bank Stadium, home of the Minnesota Golden Gophers, as we get set for what ought to be a terrific battle.
All right. Here we go. We will be kicking it off in hopes to win this game. Touchback here. No, he does not. As we're going to stop him. As we get him at the 11. There we go, there we go. We're going to put a blitz. As it looks like they're going to run it on the first play. Maybe a screen. Oh, how is that not a safety?
These kind of guys are so hard to defend.
You're right. All right, they're obviously going to run at the 1. If they throw this, I would be very surprised.
From the gun, running back gets the give.
Oh, it's a...
You just can't go backwards there. He did, and they swarmed him for a safety. So after giving up the deuce on the safety,
they're going to have to
now
punt
they'll
it.
be able to kick it away without a rush from the 20.
Oh, I didn't know there were guys there. Well, we hit a good safety off the start. Hampton. The stadium pulse is getting to the team right now.
There aren't many better than this guy.
No, and just big bodies that you can miss a little bit.
As he's going to get 5 yards on the first drive. We're going to go with a shallow cross here. We're going to be looking for triangle. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. I tried to throw it to circle. Oh, it's almost picked off. All right, we're going to be looking for Omari and Hampton or Malcolm. That's our main target here.
Johnson looking to throw.
As he's going to catch it. We got a couple of good yards there. We're going to go off to the run game again. Looks like if I can break off if our blockers can block to the left, I can take off this way. As we try to do the juke, but we can't get anywhere. But we do get the first down. We're going to go for a throw here. Maybe hit Jones. Yeah, that's a nice 7 yards. As we're just going to let Omari and Hampton try to run this in.
Operating in the red zone here on second down. On the run, it's
As he's going to get the first and the touchdown. As it looks like the touchdown was by.
Be there into the end zone.
And you don't want to leave your feet very often in football, but this is one of those areas where you do.
As there's a beautiful
near the goal line, you
play right there, as now we got a field goal.
Get up, get over top of them, get that touchdown.
As we will take that.
Up and good and put one more on the lead. Almost ready to kick it away after scoring the touchdown.
As will he take the touchback this time? Looks like he wasn't in range. As I don't know where he stopped at. As it looks like they're going to run it. As they are. Oh, I missed that.
So they got to do something here offensively to get into a rhythm, running and throwing the football. Try to find that consistency.
All right, here we go.
Find something positive with this offense. Forget about the safety.
Whew.
Doesn't happen very often. Try to get some
We get
first
to him.
downs together. Get some good mojo going.
Nowhere close on that one as he got drilled trying to deliver the football, and now they face third down.
As we put him behind the line. As we're going to go for the straight rush here.
You want to try to create some space and give yourself an opportunity not to throw out of your own end zone. They didn't hold up in protection. They give up the
As they get a good block off of that, we're going to be taking this to the right.
Slips through the line.
As we're going to get a couple of good yardage there. As we're going to let Omari and Hampton take this. He's had a beautiful run game so far. As it looks like this time they're going to stop him.
Over the last few years, there have been seismic changes to college football. Realignment, maybe image alignment, but one of the biggest changes, the transfer portal.
Yeah, and now guys that are unhappy or in a situation where they see something that they
We got 4 yards off of that play.
you can leave, and there is no penalty. So a lot of recruiting, Jesse, on other people's teams that go on throughout a season.
We're going to look for pace hour.
And it's a lot of pressure on
Oh, I didn't see that guy who was marking him.
players as well to try to keep those rosters.
Oh, are we in field goal range? Maybe. I'm not amazing at taking field goals.
Team potentially competing for a national championship next
And it's in.
Let's see uprights, it's good. And now the lead
I don't know how we made that.
is headed back onto the field.
Looks like they're going to try to run it again.
A slow start is a bit of an understatement, and they really need to get it going here, Jesse.
As we're going to stop them at the line of scrimmage.
right out of the gate. Offensively for this unit,
Their run game isn't working. If they run it again, I would be very surprised.
Yeah, and it's just the first quarter, so it's not the
Oh, shoot, I was on the linebacker. Oh, as we sack the quarterback.
All the way back at the 5.
We're going to blitz them. Hopefully, if we get a sack on the quarterback, that'll be another safety. As long as he doesn't try to scramble. Oh, we get around quick. Oh, we make him drop the football.
third and long situation. They try to go screen. I think they were hoping it was
Oh, they're going to have good blocks this time. Oh, crap. That might be offsides. Oh, no. Oh, that was a big mistake.
Fair catch called for, but a flag is on the field. Let's see what that's about.
Offside. Defense.
It doesn't matter though, because all it does is get them closer to where they're not so in the end zone. So not that big of a deal, as it doesn't get them a first down. We get some yardage. All right, we're gonna run this.
The give to the tailback.
We're going to get good yardage there, 7 yards.
It'll be 2nd and 3. Tried to pound it on first down, now back to the line.
We're going to run this again.
Try the run.
We're going to get around him. Get around him. As we almost get into the end zone.
After he rips off a huge play. He's up to 57 yards for him on the ground now. What a first quarter for this guy.
I think I might scramble.
Motion by the back forces the defense to adjust.
Oh, crap. Oh, that's a big loss.
And down he goes at the 18.
We might have to settle for another field goal.
That last play. Now a second and long coming.
As oh, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it through the middle.
They make the stop, but not before
We're gonna get
he
a
takes
big
chunk
pickup
out of
there.
what they need to move the sticks.
As we're gonna try to get the TD here.
Third and goal.
I'm gonna look at Nesbitt.
Johnson wants to throw it.
It's beautiful.
Takes it to the house. Touchdown, UNC.
I know we're only in game one, but in this half, you've got to be excited about what you've seen from this
Oh,
offense.
almost
Really nice
messed
rhythm.
up that field goal.
Quarterback's got great command on the field with respect to what they're trying to do.
Minnesota has it back, and the Gopher offense is headed onto the field.
After this match, we might mess with the slider some because this is way too easy.
Sometimes that puts your defense in a bad spot, and you got to get a drive together here so you don't wear the defense out.
I just think, David, too predictable in that last drive. They got to do something here to get this defense on their heels.
Rides to the back. They shut it down
Oof.
quickly, but he gets two out to the 18. Let's see what they have in the bag on third and short.
All we gotta do is put on one more stop. Maybe force a fumble.
Try to get the first through the air. And the defense
That's a big
makes the
sack.
play, sacking him back at the 10.
Well, I think one of the biggest reasons why this team is finding themselves in a hole here in the first half is this has been a sack party. They can't keep the defense off the quarterback.
We almost
They
get to
haven't
him.
been able to get the ball
No
deep
roughing
down
the
field,
kicker call.
throwing it with the consistency they want
As
because they
oh,
can't
there's
keep their
nowhere to
quarterback standing
go.
straight.
And the coverage team able to wrestle him down. North Carolina
Oh,
has it
no.
back, and the Tar Heels so
All right, we're gonna look at
close to send the
Malcolm.
offense back out.
Deep, depending on where that safety goes. He's not
Throws
open.
to the wideout.
Does he get his feet down?
Finally run out.
I mean, in my opinion, I don't believe he got his feet down. But according to the game, he did. Let's see. Did he get a foot down? Right there. He did get a foot down. So, it was a good call from the ref. As they're going to challenge the play. As Omarion Hampton takes it. He's got space. He's gone.
Speeding down the left side. And the defense couldn't corral him, and he took it all the way. Touchdown, Tar Heels. Boy, did he just scorch that defense for that score.
He shows you all.
As this is going to be a very long game.
Time playmaker. You just give him the
So, we're going to hop into Super Sim. And hope we don't sell the lead.
Just this side of midfield, the defense trying to rise up on
We're on third down.
They'll try to get it through the air.
As he gets
Out to
it.
the tight end.
All right, we're first and 10 in the red zone.
Will snap it on first and 10.
He hands it off to Omarion Hampton. He's got one defender to beat. He can't do it, but still picks up 4 yards. We're going to go with a mesh spot here.
Second down, and remember, they can
Hopefully.
pick up first without scoring.
I want square to be open. He secures it. There we go.
Takes them down to the 7-yard line, and they are ready to strike. The Tar Heels have it in
All right, we're going to be looking for
position on
Nesbitt
first
here.
and goal.
Potentially Malcolm.
Looking to throw.
He's wide open.
And it's caught.
It looks like we have the ball again.
First down here with time for maybe one more play until the 2-minute warning.
McCullum or Pacehour. Oh, this is McCullum.
Ready to take a shot.
Oh, he catches it.
Catch inside the 25. And he got away from the defense and takes it in. Touchdown, the North Carolina offense.
As we're going to look for J.J. Jones, or we're going to hit McCullum again, or Pacehour, depending on where this... Oh, I didn't know there was a guy right there. That's a big sack for them. I think we're going to try to chew the rest of the clock and just let the half go away.
Now it's second and long.
Oh, never mind. Omarion Hampton might be gone.
A huge play
It's
for this
beautiful.
offense after that great run. They'll immediately call timeout.
We're going to go deep here.
Sometimes it just gets frustrating, and you've just been beat down all day. This defense hasn't had answers, but now you can't let them run the football and just run it down.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Disastrous. Oh, down he goes. A huge loss on that play. Quick timeout call by the offense after the play.
I need to run this. I trust in Amari and Hampton to get us a TD right here.
Serious heat. They are like sharks swarming and just
Oh, they see it coming. But we might be gone. All he has is the safety to beat. Beats him. As oh, that's our last timeout.
They finally get him down at the 35. They'll use a timeout right before halftime. Maybe
I don't believe we can score this field goal, but it's worth a try.
Field goal unit is out there for the third time. He'll need to put some leg in this one. A 52-yard attempt and just finesse to get it in from the right. And that is
Hop in for these last 3 minutes and see if we can do anything with I guess it's Barlow now. Scored the first touchdown, I believe. He can't. He gets through.
and he's able to bounce off one tackle for a solid pickup.
For some reason, the accelerated clock is not working right now. This is a backup quarterback, as he's just gonna dive into the end zone. As we've won the game, 60-17.
Great start to the season. That's what you want. You want to come out, find a way to win. Was it perfect?
It was a brilliant game from the team, I would have to say. Leave any comments for what I should do for the second episode. And, yeah, goodbye.